All right. Well, I hope that you have survived the midterm exam, and I know that you have done very well up until this point. So we're on to the second portion of this class. We're into the lesson on emotions, and you're going to watch I don't know, maybe 4 to 6 different videos, and you will have a substantial amount of information that you're going to cover that's going to talk about the different factors that influence emotions in your communication with others. The most important thing I want you to focus in on, particularly as it relates to the essay that you will be writing for this section, is how you answer the questions. One of the things that I've noticed as I have taken a look at your assignments and graded them or sent them back to you for edits is that you are explaining the scenario and giving me specifics about the scenario, but you're not tying it back to the lesson. It's not necessarily that I want to know the specifics of the scenario or the video, for instance, Mr. Bean, okay? It's not that I want to know all the specifics of the video. What I want to know is, do you understand which concepts and terms are attached to the examples that you're providing from the scenario or the video, okay? That is the link that makes it an academic expression versus just a conversation about what happened in the movie, okay? So I need to see that. So when it asks you to explain, when it asks you to discuss your opinions, I need to see you tie it back to the content in the lesson, okay? To the concepts, to the terms, to the explanations. Oftentimes, the best way to cite is to do a direct quotation from the lesson or the chapters in the lesson that explains a term or defines the term that you are talking about in your example. So that's what I want to see in this lesson 7 essay, okay? Remember, 4 sentences makes a paragraph. And you have to have at minimum 3 paragraphs. An essay really is 5 paragraphs, but it says that you need to have 3. So my expectation is to see that you've answered each one of those questions in detail within 3 paragraphs at minimum. Okay, we'll see you in the next lesson.